I go.
Amen.
I go.
Amen.
First and foremost, I want to give all honor, praise, and glory to our Mother, Father, Creator, and to the memory of our great African ancestors whose shoulders we stand upon and whose backs we lean upon. We ask that the ancestors and those on high, those who have the power to be with you today as you enter into the final phase of your pilgrimage, because you're not tourists, but as pilgrimages returning to the land of your ancestors, coming back to the beginning. I stopped someone this morning that was trying to explain to somebody what the experience was going to be like for them in the dungeons. No one can really tell you what that's going to be like. It is an individual experience that you will have. If you feel like crying, cry. If you feel like screaming, scream. If you feel like slapping somebody, tell them to get out the way. Okay? There are many, many emotions that you will have. But know that you are returning home, that you are where you belong spiritually. You have brought with you ancestors from the other side and family members who will never make this journey. And you are the first in your families to do so. We're really blessed on this trip because we have families that have come this time together. So I say, blessed is the man that walketh not in the counsel of the ungodly, nor standeth in the way of sinners, nor sitteth in the seat of the scornful, but his delight is in the law of the Lord, and in his law doth he meditate day and night. And he shall be like a tree that is planted by the rivers of water, that bringeth forth his fruit in his season. His leaf also shall not wither, and whatsoever he doeth shall prosper. The ungodly are not so, but are like the chaff which the wind driveth away. Therefore the ungodly shall not stand in the judgment, nor sinners in the congregation of the righteous. For the Lord God knoweth the way of the righteous, and the way of the ungodly shall perish. So go forward with your ancestors, keeping your heart full, your mind open to receive. Take it. It is yours. And I'll see you folks when you get back. Ashe? 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 Oh! All right.